Welcome to the Spiral Weave workshop. This is an installation that I created in St Martin's Church in Alfreton. It was part of the Often Festival organised by community organisation Platform 31. The installation contained over 1,000 hand-woven spiral corn dollies that were created with the local community and schools. So I'd like to show you how to make your very own spiral weaves. So open up your kit and let's get started. Select 5 straws. Line up the ends and fasten with a rubber band. You need to leave around 4 centimeters at the bottom. Holding the base, you're going to bend each straw carefully over the elastic band at a 90-degree angle, and we're aiming to create a star. Turn that over and we're ready to start weaving. Take the straw nearest you and pass it over 2 straws. Hold those together whilst you turn it around. Pick up the bottom straw and take it over 2 straws. Again, pick up the bottom straw and take it over 2. Turn and repeat. One more, up and over to join the other. And there you have created your base. Taking the straw on the underneath, pull it towards you to make a nice crease, then up and over to join the next straw along. Turn and repeat. Bottom straw, up and over. Every time that you go up and over and join the next straw, you're going to be putting it slightly to the right hand side of the new straw. You see where I'm holding with my thumb to make sure it doesn't move as I weave. So every time we place the straw to the outside of the new straw, the shape is going to expand a little. Now we're going to do a round where they're going to sit on top, and that will be a straight weave. So up and over and directly on top of the new straw. Up, over and on top of the new. Up, over, on top of the new. Now we're going to bring the weave in. We're going to be placing it to the left of the new straw. Up, over to the left. Up, over to the left. And keep repeating. You'll soon start to notice that the shape is starting to pull in. We're going to keep going until you run out of straws. To finish off, take your last piece that you wove and squish the end. And then you're going to tuck it underneath that straw so it sits on top of the other one. A little pull. Now if you want to, you can add a little bit of glue just to help it to hold nice and tight. Trim the excess off with scissors. And there you have your spiral weave. Thank you for watching, and do check out some of the other workshops, tutorials and kits available on my website.